Google Chrome tips and tricks. Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers used by millions of people worldwide. While it is widely known for its speed, simplicity, and security, there are several hidden tricks and features that can enhance your browsing experience. In this article, we will explore some of the lesser-known Google Chrome tricks that can help you become a power user and make the most out of your web browsing sessions. 1. Keyboard shortcuts. Chrome is packed with keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and effort. Some of the essential shortcuts include Ctrl+Cmd+T to open a new tab, Ctrl+Cmd+W to close the current tab, Ctrl+Cmd+Shift+T to reopen the last closed tab, and Ctrl+Cmd+L to move the cursor to the address bar. Learning and utilizing these shortcuts can significantly boost your productivity. 2. Custom search engines. Chrome allows you to create custom search engines for specific websites. To set this up, go to Chrome Settings, then under the Search Engine section, click on Manage Search Engines. Scroll down to the Other Search Engines section and add a new search engine. Enter a keyword and the website's search URL, and you can now use that keyword followed by your search query in the address bar to search that specific website directly. 3. Omnibox tricks. Chrome's Omnibox address bar is more than just a place to enter URLs. You can perform various tasks directly from it. For instance, type weather, followed by a location to get the current weather conditions, or timer, followed by a duration to set a countdown timer. You can also use it as a calculator by typing a mathematical expression or as a unit converter by typing the desired conversion. 4. Tab management. Chrome offers several features to help you manage your tabs efficiently. If you have multiple tabs open, you can use Ctrl+Cmd+Tab to switch between them. You can also use Ctrl+Cmd+Shift+Tab to navigate in reverse order. To pin a tab, right-click on it and select Pin Tab. Pinned tabs take up less space and are not affected by closing other tabs. You can also use Ctrl+Cmd+Shift+D to bookmark all open tabs into a new folder. 5. Task Manager. Chrome has its own built-in task manager that allows you to monitor and manage the system resources used by individual tabs and extensions. To access it, press Shift+ESC or go to the Chrome menu, then More Tools, and select Task Manager. The Task Manager displays CPU, memory, network, and process usage for each tab and extension, helping you identify and close any resource-hungry elements. 6. Chrome Flags. Chrome flags are experimental features that are still under development. You can access them by typing CHROME://flags in the address bar. These flags allow you to enable or disable various features and functionalities before they are officially released. However, be cautious while experimenting with flags, as they may cause instability or compatibility issues. 7. Incognito mode. Chrome's incognito mode enables private browsing, preventing the browser from saving your browsing history, cookies, and site data. To open an incognito window, press Ctrl+Cmd+Shift+N or go to the Chrome menu and select New Incognito Window. This mode is useful when you want to browse without leaving any traces on the computer you're using. 8. Customizing Chrome. You can personalize Chrome by changing its appearance and functionality. Go to Chrome Settings and explore the options available under Appearance, Themes, and Extensions. You can change the browser's theme, add extensions for additional features, or even create your own custom shortcuts using extensions like Shortcut Manager. 9. Chrome Remote Desktop. If you need to access your computer remotely or provide remote assistance to someone else, Chrome offers a handy feature called Chrome Remote Desktop. You can set it up by installing the Chrome Remote Desktop extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, you can access and control your computer from any other device with Chrome installed by logging into your Google account and granting the necessary permissions. 10. Tab grouping. Chrome introduced tab grouping to help users organize their tabs more effectively. To group tabs, simply right-click on a tab and select Add to New Group, or drag one tab onto another. You can also give the group a name and color for easy identification. This feature is particularly useful when you have multiple tabs related to different projects or topics. 11. Autofill and password management. Chrome's autofill feature can save you time by automatically filling in forms with your contact information, addresses, and payment details. You can enable and manage autofill settings by going to Chrome Settings and clicking on Autofill in the Passwords and Forms section. Additionally, Chrome offers a built-in password manager that can generate strong passwords and securely store them for future use. 12. Reading mode. Chrome has a hidden reading mode that provides a distraction-free reading experience by removing ads, sidebars, and other clutter from web pages. To activate reading mode, open a web page and type chrome://flag/enable-reader-mode in the address bar. Then, enable the Enable Reader Mode flag and relaunch Chrome. Once enabled, you can enter reading mode by clicking on the book icon that appears in the address bar when visiting a compatible page. 13. Offline browsing. Chrome allows you to access certain websites even when you're offline. To enable offline browsing, go to Chrome Settings, click on Site Settings under the Privacy and Security section, and select Offline from the list of permissions. You can choose to allow or block offline access for specific websites. When you visit a permitted site while offline, Chrome will load the previously cached version of the page. 14. Instant search. By default, Chrome uses Google as its search engine, but you can further enhance your search experience by enabling instant search suggestions. To do this, go to Chrome Settings, click on Search Engine in the Search Engine section, and check the Enable Instant Search option. This will display search suggestions as you type in the Omnibox, making it quicker to find what you're looking for. 15. Taskbar pinning. Windows. If you're using Chrome on Windows, you can pin specific websites to your taskbar for easy access. To do this, open the website in Chrome, click on the menu icon, 3 dots, in the top right corner, hover over More Tools, and select Create Shortcut. Check the Open as Window option and click Create. A shortcut icon will be created on your desktop, which you can then drag and drop onto your taskbar for quick access. These are just a few of the many tricks and features that Google Chrome has to offer. By exploring and utilizing these hidden gems, you can optimize your browsing experience and make Chrome work more efficiently for you. Remember to keep your browser updated to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements. Happy browsing! Thanks for watching.